What's up, YouTube? Another stream with the Stone Jamaican and the gang. The British are coming. I'll just escape a bit. Paracel Storm. I couldn't get the goddamn jet. Fuck. I got Lupe Fiasco in the helo. Bitch rammed us. Jet rammed.
Spotted a hostile boat just east.
That bitch was thinking to kill. I'm taking the other little bird. I should have got a different setup for this little bird. Man, I should have the freaking laser guided bomb for the little bird. We got boat. Alpha push. Roof of Charlie heading that way. Can't see him. We got a boat coming up for Charlie. I'm getting lock on. What the hell is that? The damn AA. Oh, we got helo here too. Shit.
Chopper. We have neutralized objective Delta.
Bird Charlie here on the AA is ripping me up on Bravo. I have to abandon this helo soon. We got fuck, he's eating the shit out of me.
Men, attack this objective.
I have to get out of here. Heading Bravo, there's an AA over there need to be taken care of. We got big boat coming, Charlie. He's marked. Let me get at least a gunner. Let me get at least. Oh, we got guys on Delta. Give me at least a gunner. At least a gunner. Gotta hit, gotta hit, gotta hit. Come on. Hit some. Oh, bitch went forward. Oh, hit the goddamn rock. His boat is on the run. Hit him. Yep, I see him, I see him. I got one rocket left. No. I don't see the infantry, I don't see the boat. Boat dead. You can't reps. Yeah, on the island, right? Towards Bravo, yeah? Outside Bravo, there's two guys. There's two more over there. Nice shit. Alright. What beach? Island with us?
Objective Charlie has been
Talk to me. Oh shit, one coming across. We got swimmer. Guy on my left. He's on my fucking right. He's right here. He's right here. He's dead. Oh, behind me. Nice. Thank you, Luis. Yeah, Luis, he saved my life. I'm heading in Bravo. Oh, helo. We got helo. Dude, this guy saved my life. I ain't gonna lie. He saved my life just now. There should be an AA on the left, guys. AA on the left. Pay attention.
Spotted a hostile.
We got AA looking our way. AA looking our way. He jumped out. He jumped out. He's back in. There's the guy. The guy's marked. He blew it up. He blew it up. Where the fuck is he? Where the fuck is he go? Oh, he's over here. Get him, Louis. Get him, Louis. There is Louis. Get him. Yay. Louis, you got him? Yay. Oh, shit. He didn't get him. Bitch is still alive. I need to. Is that guy dead? Yeah, I think he's dead. I got transport Elo. When I die, I hook him with a request. Yes, sir. Oh, RPG in the tower. Oh, sniper on my left side. He's dead. Hey, sniper, dude, sniper shooting the shit at me from the island again.
Soldiers, attack this objective.
He's running. I haven't got no RPG for him. I got like snaps. He's engaging him.
We have neutralized objective Charlie. Hey, take first aid.
On it. Taking Alfie, taking Alfie. Oh, Lambo's here. We might win it. Check the island across. I probably have to put the connection to the TV, guys. I'm not used to this small fucking monitor, man. It's a 28-inch. I'm just right in front of it, but damn.
Objective Charlie. We have taken objective Alpha.
RPG. I can hear him shooting that shit. Hey, we got guys on Alpha, you know. No, he's dead. Oh, we got guys on Alpha. I think he's dead. He's dead. Pushing back to Bravo side, Charlie. Anybody got no ammo? Oh, the engineer, huh? I got no. I ain't Charlie. No, I don't know what to Charlie now. I'm in Bravo. Hey, hold on. What if Louis is a German? Holy shit, boat! Motherfucking big boat! What if Louis is a German? Oh, he got me off. Damn. What if Louis is a German guy? He don't speak no English. And I'm not lagging. I'm taking this boat. What's up, Louis? Hey, Louis! You saved my life twice, dude. Thank you.
What the fuck?
Hold it. This bitch can't die. He's invincible. Oh shit. I'm wounded badly. I'm wounded badly. Come here, you look. Come here. Get up, get out, get out! Get out the chopper. I'll put some slams right here.
My English is not.
Yeah, I'm just about to put some slams down right there, man. The boat run me over.
Yeah, I'm German.
Told you! I told you! I told you, German.
Thanks you. What?
There's an enemy boat. East of your location. We no longer control objective Bravo.
Okay, I go upon this.
Spotted an enemy sniper to west of your current position.
Hey, goodbye.
Got both. Oh shit. So did the German. Ah, man.
We now have
Got him.
objective Bravo in our control. Objective Echo has been neutralized. An enemy sniper east of your position.
Yeah, I told you guys, dude was a German guy. Told you maybe German. See, I wasn't wrong. I did. I said, what if he speaks German? I said, what if he speaks German? But why you left him? I ain't got no problem with that. Shit. Oh, I got you.
Objective Alpha has just been neutralized. Objective Alpha.
Probably have to change this gun in a minute. Who shot me from the back? There's a bitch under the train. On the fucking die, bitch! Give me a med back, mask. Whoa, man! I told you give me a med back. God damn.
AT soldier, south of your position.
Oh, I got the wrong sidearm. This is not the one I wanted. I wanted the freaking M40.
Can confirm objective Bravo is neutralized. We have objective Bravo now.
Ooh! He almost killed me. Yeah, that bitch almost killed me. I'm on 8%. This med bag, this medic not even dropping, man. Medic bag. We got helo. Hit. Let him stay. Helo right here, boys. Hit something. No fly zone. No fly zone. That's why you call a no fly zone. Your license has been revoked. Got boat. I'm out of launchers, man. I'm dry. I got some mines over here in the water if he go that way. Helo coming back again. I ain't got shit for him, so I'm hiding from his ass. Take a couple rounds. Alright, man. Yeah, buddy. I need some ammo.
Need ammo here.
We got boat.
Objective Alpha. There's an enemy sniper south of your location.
Oh shit, somebody got sniped behind me. Holy shit, sniper has after me now.
We have now taken Objective Alpha.
Bravo, man. I can't even leave Bravo. I want to go Charlie, but there's snipers over there. And there's a boat. There's snipers over there, man. Shit.
Attack this target.
Oh, there's a boat over here. I could take this boat and drive across, ain't it? We're losing Bravo again, guys. We're losing Bravo again. We got Hilo coming in right side, Bravo.
Hands up! Enemy sniper south of your location.
What stairs?
Objective Alpha.
Elo coming in. Elo, low, low, low. Man, jump up. Man, jump up. Man, jump. He's dead. We got two helos over here, guys. Two helos. I'm lost. One helo crashed by the basketball court. Checking. Oh, I ain't got no goddamn grenade either. Woo! Need some ammo, boys. Need some ammo. Don't blow the helo up, man. Take it. Take it. Don't blow it up. Go, 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 go. There's a boat. There's boats. Holy shit, we dead. Pop that flare.
Enemy sniper east of your location.
Oh, dude, you're gonna die. Dude, you better jump. We better fucking jump, Squeenie.
Objective Alpha is neutralized.
Holy shit. This motherfucker. What's up, Martin? Echo. Oh shit, screen, you're still on it. Oh, you're lucky. Yeah, I know.
Enemy boat spotted. I'm seeing enemy boat. We control Objective Bravo. Anti-tank personnel have been spotted operating in your west.
Still in Bravo. We got a ripboat pulled up. Nice. We got boat. Where's the German at? Boat is being repaired.
We neutralized Objective Alpha.
Rooftop.
Objective Alpha is now in our control.
Hey, there's a guy coming up. There's a guy coming up. Bravo, Bravo, backside, Bravo. No tag taking for you, bitch. I saved your life, Blueberry. He's gonna take your tag.
We've neutralized Objective Charlie.
Mr. Miller. Hilo on a boat. Man jumping out. Nice, nice. I ain't got shit for the boat. I need ammo. Guys on Bravo. I know they're up there.
Objective Alpha.
The one jumping down. I thought this bitch dead. Behind us. Sit your ass down, bitch. Sit your ass down. Class dismissed. Oh, got 50 caliber. Yeah, what did you say just now, buddy? Oh, come on. I spawned... Man, I spawned fucked up. I spawned way up. God damn. Solid copy. Solid copy. Hold on a second. Uh-huh. They got snipers out here too. I'm still spawning back with the wrong sidearm. Okay, I'm going Charlie Delta
spotted
here.
an enemy boat east of your position.
Why am I stuck up?
Enemy boat spotted.
You turn around, there's a big ass boat behind you. Oh shit. Fuck, why did I shoot? Why did I shoot? Why the hell did I shoot? Ugh. Missed.
Get eyes on an enemy boat.
Missed again. What the fuck? Heading that way. If I can get there in time.
18 personnel have been located south of your location.
No. Okay, you see that guy in the boat? That's the guy who always stream snipe me. And I'm gonna ban him from the server again.
Objective Charlie's been neutralized. I say again.
That same guy. Every time I stream. Right side Bravo. We got guys right side Bravo. Send a freaking launcher. Fucking kill this bitch. Oh yeah, heal him. No fly. Guy. Blueberry, turn around. They're coming in Bravo.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
I think he's dead.
Spotted a hostile soldier. Listen up. Have eyes on a hostile.
This bitch ass nigga. This guy just jumped right in front of me. Yep. Oh, behind you guys, behind you guys, behind you guys. I told you, behind you. Told you guys behind you. The boat is gonna blow. Right side, Bravo. Alright. Hey guys, we need to go for Charlie Delta. We want this game, we need to go Charlie Delta, man. No. Hell yeah. I like when you boys make me proud. Hey, we got an alpha, man. You guys done an alpha?
South of your position.
Yeah, we better get some objective when we win. To lose behind by 20 tickets. Oh shit, shit, motherfucker, motherfucker. Ah, didn't your mother see you to shoot away can't kill, boy? Don't shoot away you can't kill, boy. This motherfucker here. Oh, you come back and die like a man. Holy shit. Give me your tag, bitch. Well-disciplined VC. Bang! Woo! Gameplay. You're a well-disciplined VC. Yo, give me your tag, bitch. Hey, they're coming from Alpha, guys. Oh shit. Holy shit. Nice. Counter the kill. Nice, nice, nice. Charlie.
We have taken objective Delta.
There's a guy up top, there's a guy up top, there's a guy up top on Charlie. There's a guy up top, there's a guy up top. He's up top. Two of them, two of them. Shit, my grenade dropped short. Give me an RPG. Give me an RPG. Shit.
Objective Delta.
We got Hilo. Hilo Delta. Ah! Come on, I shouldn't shoot yet. He's gone. Delta, Delta. Screen him out, Delta.
Attack the objective, soldier.
Boat! We got a fucking boat! I'm on his ass! Come on! Blow, 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 blow! Yeah, shit, come on. Got hit. Boat dead.
We no longer control objective Charlie.
I'm sure there's a guy. Oh, I was gonna say, I'm sure there's a guy behind me. Every time I do my stream, this little motherfucker here, sorry my French, join on my stream, go on enemy team stream sniping all the while. Keep coming back, I keep banning your ass. Let me say that shit loud and clear. Keep coming back and banning your ass, cause you always, you know what I'm saying, you're being an asshole. Sorry my French. No, every time I stream, this dude follow my stream snipe. No, I ban his ass, he gonna tell me, oh, you banned me because you want your team to win. Noob. Noob, I don't want to root to you on social surf, whatever, man. Ah, he's an asshole. You don't need his friendship. We won. Jet. That jet just went diving at the head. No problem, my buddy. Oh, that 23-11. Nice score. Yeah, man, that dude is a pain in my ass. You know, we were playing on Silver Mystic server once, right? Silver put him on my team. He keeps switching over. She sent him a message like, listen, stop stream sniping. And he's like, I'm not doing it now and all this shit. So I'm like, you know, I have enough of his ass. The guy who was in the boat, Martinex. Every time I stream, he comes on my shit stream sniping. So I just banned him. You know what I'm saying? Mystic told him, I'm going to put you on our Lambo's team. He's like, oh, why do I have to be on his team? You know what I'm saying? And all that shit. She put him on my team, he switched back over and all that. Dude, if you're playing a game, if you're watching a stream and join in and play, you know what I'm saying? Don't come to teabagging shit, stream sniping everywhere. Nah, I don't play like that, dude. There's a lot of servers out there you can go play on if you want to go play. Why keep jumping on mine when I'm streaming? Go get a life, dude. I don't know people do it. To sit there playing a game and then you have time to look at 2 monitors, 2 screens. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for that shit. If I'm playing a game, I play a game. Okay, start off a goal first. We're gonna go alpha. He's going goal. I'm going delta. We got a jet. He's coming in for attack. Run on my ass. Look at this one flying low. Holy shit! Didn't see him. Yeah, I didn't see him. Did I pay attention to the other one? We got Hilo over here, Delta. Oh, no fly zone! I shot the Hilo down! No fly zone! Dude, I shot that Hilo way the hell out! Oh my god! I couldn't even see it! I shot it down! Damn, that was awesome. Here comes the jet again. A little bit higher. Oh yeah, I feel you, buddy. I feel you. I feel you. We got a tank here. I need help on this tank over here. Where the hell you guys at? Tank on Delta. Tank on Delta. Shit, there's no tank here to help me back up. Alright. I see you coming down. I see you coming down with a tank on Delta there, bro. Up and get your ass in there, man.
Okay, we are taking control of objective Foxtrot.
Some RPG help down there. Let's go get this son of a bastard. He's right here. He's right here. He's going up to Echo. There he is. Oh, not Echo, Charlie. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Die on foot. Foot soldiers. Foot soldiers. One is laying down. Oh shit, I smell RPGs and shit. At least the tank is dead. MBT law, wow, I've got messed up. Oh yeah, Hilo, I see a Hilo. Ooh, he's right there, dude. Oh, I hear Jeep too, friendly. Oh, I got repaired too, holy crap. I thought I had slams. Let me try this shit. Come on, get on it. Damn. Oh shit. I see trouble. Whoa shit. And look at this bitch I was looking for. I couldn't even find him. Oh man. You got 2 tanks down there. Oh man. I ain't spawning down. I prefer go Bravo. I'm losing this one. We ain't got no objective. Ooh, this bitch saw me now. He knows I'm here now. He knows I'm here. Looking for me? Ah! I couldn't even fire. I could not even fire. Yeah, and that guy too, that F4CK guy there. Oh, let me change this AA up to something different. Sunni rockets. Yeah, we need some hammers up there, man. We ain't got nothing. Who's in this? No, that's Dave. Where's the fucking squad at? Oh, fuck it. Where's the missile truck? I see a tank down here. I see him. I see the missile truck. I'm going in for this tank. I'm going in for this tank. Advise that missile truck just outside of Charlie. I got tank on Alpha here. Tank in between Bravo, Alpha, Charlie. Turn around, turn around, turn around. There he is. Look at them guys on the Charlie right here, man. Woo! Almost hit the pole. How come they got kicked out? There's a jet on my ass. Oh shit. Shit, this stealth fighter is damaging my ass. Got you, bitch! Saw you! I gotta go, I gotta go! Where's that rocket truck? He's down here somewhere. Oh, he's dead. He's burned out. Hey, bitch. You don't see nothing. I got fucking stuck. What? Whoa, 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 whoa! I need a ride. What the fuck? He's not dead. Come on! Damn! Reload! He got 4% and I did not get the kill assist. Damn! Yeah. We're gonna lose this one badly, guys. And a different weapon. M4 rifle. Okay, let me go some Navy SEAL layout. Navy SEAL layout, shall we? Yeah. What gun was it? Compact. Yeah. I'm taking Figo. Jumping in the Figo rifle. Okay, I'm jumping off. Oh shit. Observe your surroundings, huh? You don't see nothing. Hope nobody sees. Oh my god. You wanna steal my kill, boys? You wanna steal my kill?
Objective Bravo has just been neutralized.
In it. We're gonna demote them, man. Take off the sergeant stripes and give them some lower rank and shit. I'm on Alpha. Promise to be a good VC. I keep dropping slams and I got fucking repair tool, man. Come on, man. I wanna get my slams back. Oh yeah, Jeep. Friendly.
We just neutralized objective Alpha.
We're on China. Ah, we got somebody here.
We have taken.
I hear footsteps upstairs. There's a guy in this building. He fucked the blueberry over. Look at him. Look at him. Got you. Another one behind me. Oh my god. The man camping up there. How come he didn't get no impact on his ass? Man's up in the building up in the Alpha. He's in the building in Alpha. Where's that helo? Oh. Okay, these guys are in this building right here. Hey, spawn on me, somebody.
Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
Spawn on me, somebody. Alpha building. Oh, there he is. Oh, damn it! Oh! Let's see if we can hide in that building. I'm gonna do what they do in the movie. Bring the building down on that sniper guy. Look at this jet. Look at this jet. Oh, there he is. Must be him. Must be him. No, that's not him, but I got him anyway. Oh shit, Paul! Woo! Damn! I got to move my seat around with the jet. You got helo coming into the Alpha area. Helo.
We've lost control of objective Golf. I say again, objective Golf has been lost.
He's dead. I got helo, big helo coming through.
Have eyes on hostile helicopter. East of your position.
Oh shit. Trying to J-down the shit out of him. Thought he stalled for a moment, but he bucked out there. Bravo. Mark him, man. I can't see his shit. We got a tank coming up Charlie area. Yeah, Elo. I got a jet coming in too. He's on my ass. I know it. Elo disabled. He's on fire. Elo dead. We got an Alpha, guys. We're losing Bravo. We got a tank coming up. Whoa, triple! Oh shit, there's a tank right there too. I didn't see my sim in the last moment. Yeah. Just take what you can, buddy. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking what I can, man. Detonate that shit and blow him up. Ooh, I wish I could detonate it. Oh my god, it almost worked. We got a live. We got a live on Alpha Bravo. Live on Bravo. Pull back on the throttle. Where the armor go? Where the armor at? Where the armor at? Is that one right here? Nobody home in that bitch. We got helo here. We got enemy on rooftop, Foxtrot. Rooftop.
We now control objective Foxtrot.
Seems we got Foxtrot. Transport Elo. Woo! Now we got tank outside of Gulf. And a helo too. Stop your streak, boy. We got tank outside Gulf tank. Yeah, we lost badly. Market tank, market tank, market tank. Tank mobile to kill. Oh shit, oh they got commander, no wonder we lost so bad. Just take whatever kill you can get, buddy, that's what I'm saying. Is on my ass.
There appears to be an enemy AT soldier.
Hold on a minute. The 36. Well, they got commander too, man. Remember that, boy. I was on the top of our board.
Be advised, commander online.
Вот вам патроны!
Holy shit, I'm talking to my motherfucking self. Fuck. I'm talking to my goddamn self while I'm live streaming as well with a fucking camera. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm talking to myself. I apologize, audience. I apologize. I saw the claymore at the last moment on that staircase. I'm talking to myself here, dude. Shit. If it did if it did the same way as all Lambo, dude, I wouldn't realize I'm mute. Pillbox is up. Pillbox is up. And there's claymores on the staircase. Yeah, that bitch set claymores up there. Come on, get up there, get up there, get up there. Oh, he's not dead. God damn, he's not dead. Oh shit, oh shit. We're pushing outside. You guys want to come along? I don't like the outside. I can't see shit, but I'm going there. Come on, we're pushing out. They know we're coming. They got tugs and shit. They know we're coming on the back. They know we're coming, boys. They know we're coming. They know we're coming. A lot of them here. I'm just shooting through the smoke. I can't see shit. Outside. RPG outside. Come on, ammo. Not ammo, but grenade. Come on, grenade. Okay, I got the grenade. Holy shit. Trying to burn the fucking roof off. Alright, I'm coming on. Just a second, as soon as I revived. You're not dead, but you're alive, huh? Alright, Alpha spawn. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? I'm going down this little tunnel there. Come on, let's go get some flank. Come on! I didn't want to climb on a jump! This stupid ass shit. I'm going for the flank.
We've lost objective Charlie.
Don't shoot at my friend. Holy shit. Don't you shoot at my friend. Neither you. Put that down. Don't shoot at my friend. Run. Claymore, Claymore. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, did you blow him up? There you go. God damn, it's light on it though. Whoa. Oh shit, guys. I spawned on the opposite team. Oh, I spawned on the opposite side. I missed on the flank. I missed it on the flank. I'll do what I can do. I'll do what I can do. Oh, you wanna talk? Yo, come on. Come. That's bullshit. He took my time from the previous round. I got his shit earlier on. Now he got mine back. That dude just run up on me though. Hey, there's guys underneath. Fucking mortar.
Heads up. We just brought down enemy commander electronic systems.
Are you squad leader now to run a squad leader?
I need you to defend this objective.
Oh shit.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
I shouldn't have done that. I'm low on health. I shouldn't have done that. Oh shit. Then Bravo, man. Bravo crazy, dude. Alright, taking Bravo from the back. Oh shit, scanner. The man got sniped. What the hell did he hit you with? Oh shit, grenade right by me.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
What? Come on, man. That's utterly garbage right there, man. Thank you, but oh, there's more. There's more on there, man. There's more on there, but there's utterly garbage. Hate that dude straight I didn't die. I hate these smoke shit. Is Charlie down or is it up? Alright, watch your back from Alpha, guys. They're pushing us from Alpha. And then Bravo now. Can't see shit. Why you guys use smoke? Damn, I bet you ain't got no infrared scope either.
Listen up, supplies just got dropped.
Couldn't even chuck a grenade. Couldn't even chuck a damn grenade. Okay, Bravo, Alpha, where you going, guys? Where you going? I'm on Bravo. I don't like the outside here right now. Come Alpha. Man, I'm looking around the corner. I'm leaning my goddamn head like, you know, yeah, to get an extra view. Oh, that shit. We got a guy flanking left and right. That's their spawn. What do you expect? Look at the three of them in the corner. Wow. And a beacon around there too. By the gate between Alpha Bravo, there's a beacon and 3 guys. I'm going back Bravo here. Hey dude, the guy coming in right. There it is. Die, bitch. Triple. Come to the kitchen and get a claymore, bitches. Come on. Come to the kitchen and get a claymore.
Listen up. Objective Alpha is neutralized.
From the scanner, Bravo scanner. I'm coming back to Alpha.
Enemy machine gunner, west of your current location.
Back up, dude. You're taking fire, dude. LMG upstairs.
Objective Delta, we have lost control of Objective Delta.
Beacon is still here. Clean. Guy on Bravo, I'm heading back.
Ребята, we now control Objective Charlie. Supplies on the ground, CG on the ground. Check your map.
Heading back Alpha. Ah, come on, turn. Oh shit. I see him upstairs. Watch it. I'm going the other side. We might get flanked around him. Oh shit. Yeah, we're getting flanked, dude. There's a claymore around there. Careful. There's a claymore. He's right by the ladder. Where you put the beacon earlier and right by the ladder. Shit, they're pushing to Echo now.
Location, there is a hostile machine gunner.
Yep.
Listen up. Objective Echo here.
In your head. Sit your ass down, Batista. You just got a fucking... Was Batista finishing move again? A Batista bomb? He just got a Batista bomb with a shotgun. Holy shit, we got company again on Bravo. Did that bitch just kill himself? Or somebody else killed him? Claymore going top.
Objective Delta is now under our control.
Run! Sit down! Ah! God damn, dude! That was awesome right there. Alright, we're still in Alpha. You badass mother hell. You still surviving around here, boy? You badass.
Attack this objective.
You badass. You got no beacon? Best place to hide. Best place to hide. Come on.
We've lost objective Charlie.
I'm on Alpha. Oh shit, upstairs, upstairs. Upstairs, Squig. He jumped down. Mess him up. Right in the side of his head. I wish you were a medic. Alright, Squig, let's roll out. All the bots, roll out. Oh yeah, Mav or some shit. I got Claymore down there.
Attack this objective. I've neutralized objective Bravo.
Bravo.
Neutralized objective Bravo.
That one was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Objective Bravo is now under
No, one spawned in on a minute. Oh shit, watch your right, watch your right. Holy shit, whole kitchen is full. The whole kitchen is full. What's up, Ghetto Force? Ghost Force. Sorry, man, I was carried away with the game here. If you're still here, what's up? What's up? Hold on! I'm coming! This guy, I thought you were friendly. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get around in the chamber quickly.
We no longer have control over objective Charlie. Is that clear?
No way you don't gonna do that shit. You're gonna take both of us.
Вон патроны! Возьми!
Everyone check your
Oh man, I'm surrounded. I can't take Delta. I'm downstairs hiding. And I can't take it. Sit down, bitch. You ain't gonna do that again. Oh, that's the same guy I just killed. I gotta move. You know where I'm at. Yeah, I gotta move. I gotta move. Put Claymore right here. Come on, come on. Guy behind you. Turn around. Turn around. Got him. There's so much. There's so many. Woo! Woo! I'm out of fucking rounds! Woo! God damn! Oh my days! There's so many guys right there, man. Holy shit, class dismissed. We had a Mexican standoff right there. Now that was a Jamaican standoff. It was in Charlie. Oh, bravo. Oh, bravo. Oh, no, 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 he's not dead. I stopped firing and turned away. I swear it was dead at 14%. I could not even fire right there, dude. I spawned on you and I couldn't even fire a shot off. No, you just have to know where to put the Claymore. You just have to put him in the right position. Honest. In the military, you put the Claymore down there, used to take a lot longer than this, yes. Come on, I'm a beast. Damn, Mikey got me. Medic! 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 Game over. Yeah, I took his tag earlier and he took back mine in this round. Alright, buddy. Don't forget the vodka. It's cold like hell over here. Oh, I should ask my son to bring me a burger back from the shop. Damn. Let me call his mom quickly. Ask her to bring me a McDonald's or Burger King or something. Hold on. 29:15. You know the Q thing is long with this shit, right? Hold on, I'm coming. Like when, like, remind me when Uncle Joker was saying to the little boy, like, hey, the little boy, stop it, you're creeping me out. We all start to laugh. Alright. Who's in the helos? Okay, dokie. What we got here now? We got a different class. Should I use the M4 Navy SEAL class layout? Let's go with the Navy SEAL. Hold on. Alrighty then. Hey, Squiggy, you're not wedged properly, you know, you just... Where are the helos at? Okay, okay. Come on, jump off, Blueberry, let me get a spawn up there. You're gonna crash it, he's gonna crash it, he's gonna crash it. Come on, are we high enough to jump? No. Fuck it. I'm just going in the back door then. Oh my god, oh man, I got the damn repair tool still. I need to get rid of the repair tool and I die. Look at that lab down there, could drop some slam on his ass, that was my plan. What, the lab? Look, this shit down here. Hey, we got a guy coming up, we got a guy, 2 guys coming from the elevator. Are you guys on the rooftop?
I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier north of your location.
Oh, can he do it? I don't know. Probably didn't mark it properly. Now I'm gonna die. Oh, come on. Elevator my side. Come on, elevator. Come on. Oh, elevator, Blueberry, heads up, Blue.
Supplies incoming. Get in and get out. Take what you need. Spotted an enemy tank east of your location.
I should jump down here. Oh shit, I could change my class right here. Thank you. Hey, cover fire. Shit.
Objective Delta has just been neutralized.
Come on, how do you change this shit? Change kit. Ah. Can't change the freaking thing, but I could only change that shit. Oh! I want to change my to slams, but I can't. L2. Come on, quick! How do you change this shit? Ah, man, I just rolled it this faster.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
I'm gonna jump down, but I'm gonna die. I just know it. Look at that bastard. Oh, shit, look at him, look at him.
Objective Echo.
Oh shit, that guy right there. He almost had me.
Fire drop executed.
Oh, missed him. He's right there. Come on, Hilo. Hilo right there, Hilo. Man. That's a little trick to get more grenades. Just go to the kit, you resupply grenade quickly. See that shit? Yeah, little trick. Aha! Don't say the Stone Jamaican didn't teach you guys nothing, yeah? Stone Jamaican got some tricks up his sleeve. Oh, that was too high. Oh shit, lost the supply crate.
Enemy breached our network. System going down.
Better take him out!
It's an enemy LSP. South of your position.
Soldier, spotted.
How the hell he didn't die? Man peeking around the corner, you know. Man peeking around the corner, you know. How the hell he didn't die again? You're dead now.
No longer under our control.
Yeah, the building coming down in a bit. Why are you taking it down? I'm scared of heights, nigga. I'm scared of heights.
Enemy soldier.
That's why you're dropping it. Okay, you're scared of heights.
Spotted a hostile soldier.
Oh, helo. Hey. Jumpers out the transport. And the elevator door. Which door first? I don't even know. I'm just checking a grenade.
We have control of objective Charlie.
Oh, friendly. Here they come, elevator. That's doing some friendly.
North of your current position.
Ooh, didn't save one for me.
Take him out!
Man, I want to get my slams, man. I could take a lot of armor vehicle down there, but I'm still in repair too. Here the building comes. Geronimo! Is he dead? Ah, he's dead.
We have lost objective Alpha. Detecting personnel in the response operation to your south.
What we got here?
Now or never, let's go! This is actual. Be advised, missile strike inbound. Stand by.
Oh, they got enemy sniper beacon along the roof across from Delta.
There's a light armored vehicle operating to your west.
Oh, there he is.
Get eyes on an enemy.
Oh! Hold on 2 seconds. Righty then. Okay, time to change this thing now. Back to my slams. Should I take the transport elo or tank? I'll just roll the tank. Oh yeah, screen. Here too. We got a guy downstairs.
Supply just got dropped in.
2 of them. Look at them bitches.
Spotted.
He didn't know which way to run to. He didn't know which way to run. He turned around and run to the big wall. He couldn't go through. Hey, RPG. Oh, that didn't kill you, boy.
We've taken objective Delta. It's ours.
Roadkill 1. Got the other one. Ha ha! I'm the badass. Not you.
Neutralized.
Got a guy on the left side and then front. He's dead. This guy's in front. And he's not dead. And he is not dead. This nigga's armor proof. Damn, no, he's dead. There's another one in front.
I can repair your vehicle.
Where ain't you going, boy? Holy shit, look how many guys right here. Look how many. Oh my god, where all these guys came from?
There's a hostile AT soldier east of your position.
Okay, I got snipes now. Hey, Squeenie, cover fire. Oh, there's a guy right here. Luckily I didn't jump out yet. Luckily I didn't jump out yet, dude. Cover fire anyway. Oh shit, another one. There's another one, Squeenie. Cover fire, Squeenie. Heads up. Cover fire, cover fire. Alright, let's move out. Did somebody say something just now? Left side, behind us, Squeenie. Behind us. Engineer. Oh, I just killed Thiago Silva. Guy right here, Squeenie. You dumbass idiot. There's two of them, Squeenie. Where you hiding from, boy?
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Tank. There's two guys down there. Holy shit! Dude! Oh my god, that was a fucking hilarious shot! That was an hilarious shot! Behind us! Oh shit, guy behind us, get out!
This is actual. Supply drop complete. I spotted a hostile helicopter due south of your position.
There's somebody else. There's somebody else. Come on, kill him! I thought it was a friendly there. Gotta go back to the store. Oh, that was fun right there, man. That was a fucking hilarious shot. Squig is still spawning here, sitting down. Okay. Where are we going now? Are you in the boat? No, that's not you. This guy's in a tank. Come on. I'm on foot to Bravo. I'm on foot to Bravo. Who's HVT?
Objective Charlie is under our control.
We got tank on bridge.
Hostile AT soldier spotted to your east. Objective Delta has just been neutralized.
Engaging.
Spotted a hostile.
Got a hit.
Spotted an enemy.
That's there's a guy jumped out. I got hit on that guy. Kid assist.
Located south of your location. I spotted enemy tank east of your current position.
Oh, fucking asshole, not dead.
Missile inbound.
This bitch. You motherfucker, you. Oh, that's a Thiago bitch. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
We've neutralized objective Echo.
Got Elo. Can't see shit.
We just took objective Echo.
Got you, Matty. Still, there's a lot of them. There's a lot. Nice kill on that quadruple. The tank at base, you want to take it? Yep. Oh, got slam kills. Yeah, that Tiago guy there. You can tell he's not playing with something normal like a PlayStation. That man just bang bang, you know? The way he's moving. You can tell he got a keyboard for real. Okay, the other side, right? Oh shit, we got engineer right here. Engineer beneath me. Engineer beneath me.
Keep this objective safe. Defend it.
There's an engineer here, dude.
Enemy AT soldiers east of your location. This objective is our target.
There's an engineer underneath the bridge.
Down.
There they are, here they are.
Then attack this objective.
The both. I'm wounded, my tank is bust up. Oh, guy under the bridge.
We have taken
Hold on, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. You didn't see that, Slams. I saw it and jumped the hell out.
Okay, defend this objective.
Hold up, hold up. Guys on your right, guys on your right. Ah man, I saw that slammed and jumped out and you didn't see it. There he is, there he is. There he is right here. Hold up, hold up. There he is. Alright, you handle the tank, I'll handle the freaking foot soldier. Come on, Blueberry, get it. Nice. Nice. Hilo, take him out.
Keep this objective safe. We no longer have objective Bravo.
Something hitting us, something hitting us. We need to go somewhere else, but we ain't got Bravo Alpha. Yeah, he's back. Like always, you don't play Battlefield until somebody's streaming. There's another guy here named Matty. I think it's the same motherfucker. Behind us, behind us. Right side too. C4 coming in right side underneath this fucking thing right here. I'm burning one motherfucker. Under the bridge. Oh shit. Load, 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 load. RPG behind us. He dead, bitch. I see him. Burning the shit out of him. Under the tank. I got some slams up there. Count as a kill. Guy to the left. Bitch. He's jumping like a kangaroo. Under the bridge. Guy in front of you. Bitch is laying down right here. RPG! No problem, take your time, buddy. Friendly mines, friendly mines. Hold up, hold up. Okay, tank. I'm gonna say Alpha, guy behind you on Alpha. Guy behind us on Alpha. Upstairs. Burn, bitch.
Attack this objective, soldiers!
Friendly mines, friendly mines.
Eyes on a hostile vehicle, east of your position.
Looking left and I'm looking right. I'm looking left and I'm looking right. Downstairs, Bravo. Okay, go. We good. We good. In front. Bitch. Where the fuck is he? Got him. Headshot.
Heads up. Enemy sniper due east of your location.
On the bridge, there's motherfuckers underneath this bitch.
Under our control.
Just know it. You can't lock us up now, bitch. Yeah, we're kicking up our shit, man. Elo, Elo!
Target, that's objective.
Oh, look how many guys behind us! RPG! RPG, we're dead! That was a good run. 29 and 4. Look at that guy over there. 58 and oh, what the fuck is he doing in the Elo? Damn! Is that squiggy? Shit. Where the hell is this guy? Go to the Alpha and let get the tank, idiot. Fuck him.
Hostile systems are down. Push your attack. Target this objective.
Let's go.
Soldiers, attack this objective. We've lost objective Bravo. We no longer control objective
Hey
Bravo.
guys, I need a gunner. I want to take this tank down, Bravo. I need a gunner though. There's a one guy downstairs. You can see him on the map.
Just took objective
Got him.
Echo.
Nice. Go ahead, pushing ahead, pushing ahead.
Enemy missile has been launched.
What we got here? We got some tanks giving trouble up here.
I spotted a hostile tank.
That was too high. Mines, slams. I didn't even hit me.
Delta has been neutralized.
Let's go, Bluebird. Let's chase his ass.
I've got eyes on an enemy sniper.
Man jumped out. Elo. Oh, MBG launcher. Yeah. Yeah, I'm dead, man. Man, blow us all up. I wonder how he killed with us 1-6 round. Behind us. Oh shit. This truck is gonna save my life. My chucking grenade. On the road, kill your ass. Come here. Oh, you're running. I know there are gonna be mines on this road. Hello, bitch.
Objective Charlie's been neutralized. I say again, objective Charlie has been neutralized.
Bitch.
There's a hostile soldier west.
There's more over there?
He's
He's dead.
Supplies just got dropped
Oh, that tank is still alive. Oh shit, it's not. Turn it up. Elo dead. Oh shit. I got. Woo. Yes, I did.
So,
What the hell they call you the hand man? Did 31 and 6. Louis left. Where's Louis? I'm looking for Louis. I don't think Louis is here no more with us. Oh man, I want a soda pop. Man. Bubblegum soda. Now we had the bubblegum ice cream. Oh, no bubblegum ice cream. I want some vodka, some rum. Something with a kick. Need something with a kick, boy. Alright. Still rocking Navy SEAL class. And I go Navy SEAL squiggy. The M4, the suppressor, the compact 45 the suppressor. Fully kitted. Tank shell across the bay. See them helos across?
Commander is online.
They're shooting at me already. Well, this direction. Give me a hit. Give me a hit on that one. Look at this jet. I don't care. Commander name is. I love it.
We control objective Charlie. We have control of objective Charlie. In the air.
Okay, I'm gonna take control. In the water we got tank on Delta. Oh, come on.
I say again, I've spotted a hostile LAV south of your
Eyes on that lab, eyes on that lab. Oh, this thing break my lock. Come on, guys. Got hit on the lab.
We've lost objective Charlie.
I think I destroyed the lab with a headshot. Well, I got a guy with a headshot. Lab is disabled. Lab dead. Tank, Delta. I got lab outside Delta.
Due north of your location, there appears to be an enemy inside the soldier.
Tank dead. I think that tank is dead too. Okay, push the Delta. Is that not the one underneath?
Атакуйте эту цель. There's hostile enemy sniper south of your position.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Вражеского солдата вижу. We've just lost objective Alpha.
RPG upstairs. The guy's on the right.
Вижу вражеского пулеметчика.
Damn. They're hitting the shit out of me.
We've taken objective Delta. Вижу вражеского снайпера.
I should not be here right now, man. I'm wounded badly and I'm in a hostile enemy zone, man. I should not be here. Get one hit from that heel, I'm dead now. That guy over here sniping. Snipe that bitch.
Objective Delta. We've lost control.
Backing up a bit, I'm backing up a bit.
Sniper, south of where you are.
What's happening up, Bravo? I see a guy by the truck.
Эту цель атаковать. Neutralize objective Alpha.
Oh, got another guy upstairs.
Атакуйте эту цель.
I think.
Атакуйте эту цель.
Yeah, hey, the guy's inside the building. Inside Bravo, up top. Shit. Bluebird must have got him.
There's hostile LAV east of your current position.
I got Delta. Guys pushing up in Delta.
Обороняйте эту цель! Обороните эту цель! Обнаружен вражеский солдат! Listen up. Supplies just control. South of your position. There appears to be...
Should blow your mind up and kill your ass, lad.
Is it clear?
Обнаружен вражеского солдата!
Man's on top of the tank repairing it. I'm sure I see a guy right there. There's a free lav on the back of the mountain. Take it. Blueberry on it. We've got guys behind us. Pop your head up, bitch!
Enemies coming up behind you.
Guy behind us! Roadkill his ass! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at him over there.
Listen up. We just neutralized objective Echo.
Dude, no MBT law, bitch. Yeah, thank you. The MBT law. Can't these guys breed? Says no MBT law, no lock-on, bitch.
Обнаружена вражеская вертушка!
Oh, oh, come here, baby. Come to daddy. Come to daddy.
We now control objective Echo.
Oh my God, he lifted up.
Вражескую вертушку!
Here he goes. Guy behind us.
Anti-tank soldier, east of your position.
Oh, come on. Backed up the road, kill him and missed it.
Обороните эту цель.
Oh, dude. Got loads. Elo.
Обнаружена вражеская вертушка.
Oh, don't run in the water. I'm low on health. I'm low on health.
I have eyes and indications south of your position.
Oh, we got 2 armors. We did, Squeaky.
My case is
Come and get me. Come and get me. I'm stuck, I think. I think I'm stuck.
обнаружена вражеская вертушка. Due south of where you are, enemy sniper. Обнаружена вражеская вертушка.
Hit him. Oh! I see him.
Listen up. Objective Charlie is now under our control.
What the hell was that? We got Ribbo coming in. What the hell? They got gun. What the fuck is shooting up down there? I got Hilo coming.
We've lost objective Bravo.
Hit him. Oh, don't lift up. Don't lift up. Why you move? Damn, this guy got a 6th sense. We got guy up here. Guy on the objective. Guy on the objective and a Hilo coming in. 2 Elos, 2. Oh! Under his bum. Blue sky. Oh, I jumped out, left you. Squiddy, I'm with you.
There's an enemy boat south of your position.
When? Okay, bravo. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Hey, don't move. I know, but he's moving. Don't move too much. I'm burning the shit out of him. I'm burning him.
Check your map.
Finish him, Spiggy. Yeah, I got him.
Listen up, men. We have control of objective Bravo.
Heads up. I've spotted a
Oh shit, my
hostile
battery died
sniper
on
due
me.
south of your location.
Elo.
Вражескую вертушку вижу.
Me too.
Вижу вражескую вертушку.
Guy's upstairs.
Objective Charlie.
Guy right there. There's a guy on the rooftop. See him? Come on, Blueberry. Fuck him up.
We're just taking control of objective.
Burn, bitch. Burn. Got him.
Enemy sniper is of your current position.
Hey, we got guys at the back. We got guys at the back of Bravo.
Обнаружен вражеский солдат. Let me help you repair your vehicle.
Look at them on Delta. A lot of them on Delta. Rooftop. Look at them. I'm marking them up. We got a Jeep on the road.
Атакуйте эту цель.
Hey, we got a Jeep flanking us, dude. We got a Jeep flanking us. They try to fucking jihad us. Guys in Bravo. Got on the rooftop, Bravo. Shit, he's on the rooftop above us. Damn! Big LMG. I guess I have to rock something fully automatic. Let's try this bad boy here. See if I get along with it. What one is it? I use this one.
Damn.
Oh, we got gunship. What the hell am I looking at? Okay, here we go. Oh, damn. Don't think we're safe up there, boys.
And we should just utilize objective deal.
With the helo.
Best of where you are, there appears to be a hostile sniper.
Вижу,
I see the AA.
We have control of objective deal.
Got lava on the main road echo.
I've spotted an enemy sniper due west
Oh,
of
shit.
your current position.
Hope no one sees me.
HVT tagged. Push on him and take him out.
Who's the HVT?
Okay.
We got tank coming up the main road.
Machine gunner spotted north of where you are.
Nice. Aha.
Objective Bravo is neutralized. South of where you are, there's an enemy sniper.
Обороняйте эту цель.
We have control of objective Bravo.
What do you say?
We got a jet.
Слушайте, все слушайте меня. South of your current position, there's
There's two guys down on echo there. Can I? That sniper taking a shot. Oh, don't move, man. He didn't even move. They got a hit marker. If he didn't move, he'd be dead.
Обнаружен вражеский ЛАВ. Видел вражеского.
Большое спасибо, thanks. I spotted an enemy vehicle.
Got a lot of guys on echo
Their
side.
position.
Screening. Who's driving? Hold it, Screeny, hold it. Back up, back up, back up. The guys on the left of you. Hold it. Hold it right there. Hold it, fucking hold it. There's some snipers on the edge of Echo, man. I can see them. It's alright. Handle it, handle it. The lab is chasing you. Tank. I'm doing it. I'm on it. I'm on it.
Yeah. Sweet kill.
I'm watching if any helo comes. Sniper! I'm not safe.
I'm not safe either.
He hit me. He's on the rooftop. Lab.
Right now.
I think. I want to kill that guy down there and I can't. Man, fuck it. I'm going down there. Oh shit, motherfucker right here. Man saw me jumped out. Hold on guys, 2 seconds.
Fine, in front. Okay, where are you at? Alright. Yep.
Looking for my damn charger. All right.
Objective now place neutralized. Вижу, вражеский корабль.
Come on, none of that hit that bitch.
Обнаружен вражеский корабль. Signal control, objective Alpha.
Damn, he stole it from me. God damn. That been on Echo. Where's that guy I see him? Ah, there he is. Reload. Come on.
Атаковать эту цель! I've identified a high value target. Take him out. We've taken objective Bravo. Атаковать эту цель!
Look at Charlie.
Атаковать эту цель!
Holy shit.
Well done. We neutralized objective Delta.
We're losing gunship. Come on, reload quickly and give me another kill before I freaking die. Come on, I have to jump now. Cheers.
Ding.
Listen up. I have eyes on AT soldier east of where you're at. Just taking control of objective Delta. Objective Delta has been taken.
Oh, we got guys over there. Ah, this gun sucks. I need a different gun. I think that guy's stream sniping my shit. Save that bitch.
Внимание, внимание! Внимание, все слушайте. South to your position. There's enemy LAA.
You guys on the other side.
Бросаю гранату!
Oh damn, I'm screwed. Repairs.
Hilo.
Where you at?
Where this bitch going in?
Yeah,
Обнаружен вражеский солдат!
Bitch, where you going? Yeah, Hilo. He's a Hilo here. He's on fire. Look them in Delta. Holy shit. Not today, bitch. Oh shit, upstairs on Delta.
Thanks. There appears to be an enemy light armored vehicle south.
Oh shit! I've been flashbang. It's so bright, my whole entire screen lights up. Dude, that flashbang brights up my whole screen.
Attention, attention. LAV south of your
I hurt myself. I couldn't pull my parachute. Shit! This bitch lucky.
Alright, well I'm getting out. Moving up.
I say
Enemy
doing that.
right here, directly in front.
Oh shit, 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 shit! Almost lost it. Crash. Hell yeah.
Oh, holy shit, I actually got second, third? That's fucking weird.
What did I got?
I'm actually
19
doing
and
good
7.
Alright.
Alright. The other guy do 1, 8, 7, 5, 1. If 1 and 0, 5 and 15. Nah. Probably should get on something else. Battlefield 5 or something like that. Yeah. Go in. What class? Engineer or ammo? Let's go engineer.
I'm doing support.
Run that ammo, boy. Run that ammo. think I thought I spawned on the helo. I spawned on the squiggy.
So,
With a full chopper.
Take an objective, Foxtrot.
Get in, Blueberry, get in.
Go, go, go!
Get in! Oh, he's sniping.
I need you to attack this objective.
Oh, I took a tree down instead of that damn helo. Come on, no fly zone. Yes!
I spotted an enemy vehicle. Attack this objective. Attack this objective.
No, these niggas are spreading out, you know, they're spreading out.
Take an objective, Charlie. There's an enemy HE soldier east of your location. Hey, can you give me a ride? I need you to attack this objective.
What? In your head. One and I'm heading on.
Eyes on an enemy tank. I need you to attack this objective.
Blueberry, really jump in this truck and move it. Hey, jump in that truck and move that truck. Just back it up out the way. Oh shit.
go all the way through.
Oh shit.
Oh, come on.
Die, bitch. You just been hypnotized.
Oof. Fuck. What the hell was that?
RPG. Oh, I got a tank. I'm just gaining up some rounds out here. I'm running low on ammo on this thing, so I'm gaining up some rounds.
Objective Delta has just been neutralized.
Come on, Blue Sky. Move, Blue Sky. Blue Sky's on the Blueberry team. You're gonna be blue all day. Hello, boys. I'm back. Oh, look at this tank.
I got eyes on a hostile tank.
Hit that bitch.
I need you to attack this objective.
RPG! Damn, he just crept around the corner like a little motherfucker. Oh, I'm gonna stretch. Alright, we got Foxtrot losing, we got enemy over there. Helos and shit.
There appears to be an enemy helicopter east of your location.
There's guys. On the tower. I ain't going up there though. Fuck that.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Sniper!
We have taken Objective Alpha. Heads up, there's an enemy machine gunner east of your location. Objective Charlie has been compromised. I got eyes on an enemy helicopter.
Oh, he dipped. Oh, he's dead.
There's a hostile helicopter north of your current position.
They killed fucked up trigger happy down there. Man was waiting. Man did a wait tire. I see you, tank. Hope nobody sees me though. Come on up here, Rector. Yeah. Up your asshole. You did, motherfucker. Just glimpsed a guy around this corner here, and Bravo, he killed you, Squiggy. Oh no, I see that running there. Oh, there he is. Got him, half ton. There's another one over there. Oh, it didn't kill him. Got truck.
I spotted an enemy vehicle.
Whoa, what was that? Something came rocket light from the road.
I spotted a hostile vehicle.
Put an MBT law down, bitch. Strictly says no MBT law. Motherfucker. Smarty pants.
Lost objective Echo. Enemy vehicle due west of your current location. I spotted an enemy tank.
Got AA on the hillside. And a U-cover.
I'm trying to take out.
There appears to be an enemy soldier west of your location. Objective Delta has been neutralized.
And he's not dead.
I spotted a hostile soldier.
Hey, loads of guys over here, guys.
Enemy tank.
Guys by the LAV, guys by a Lambo, guys by a Lambo. Come here. Shit. Damn, there are a lot of motherfuckers over here, man. Come on. MBT law, bitch, put it down. These guys can't read. They can't read for shit. Yeah, I know, I have to get out of here. I need to get reps, man, to get out of here.
Defend this objective. Objective Alpha has been neutralized. We just took objective Echo. Enemy chopper spotted. Aye, aye.
Oh,
Enemy
he's
chopper spotted. There appears to be an enemy machine gunner east of your position. Get out of the vehicle now! I need repairs for my vehicle. Attack this objective.
rocket truck up. But hey, we got enemy map. He's marking us up for the rocket truck.
Move out of the vehicle.
He's
Found a whole group of motherfuckers over here.
We no longer control objective Bravo.
Look at them, look at them.
Enemy soldiers spotted. I've spotted a hostile helicopter. East of your location. Attack this objective.
All in Bravo. Saved your life, dude. Elo. Too high. In the tower, in the bunker.
Attack this objective.
Peer MBT law. Peer MBT fucking law.
Thanks a lot.
Attack. Ooh, break my streak.
Just taken objective Bravo. I need you to attack this objective.
Oh shit, then Delta.
Attack this objective. I have eyes on an enemy tank east of your location.
9mm, bitch. 9mm, bitch. Stop moving, bitch. Dale acaba el discipline VC, bitch.
Have positive ID on a hostile vehicle operating to your north.
Then Delta, they're gonna push in Charlie.
Objective Foxtrot now neutralized.
Come back here and die like a man. Oh, he dead. Oh, train track, train track.
I'm going in from behind.
Drop ammo, drop ammo.
West vehicle extraction.
Drop ammo, dude, drop ammo. This guy in our party.
We now control objective Delta.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sorry, that's my bad.
Yeah, I see him going for me some slams. He's dead. Bitch.
Neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Guys on the left. You cap. You think you're gonna kill the bluebird and run away, huh? You got you cover, man. You got careful how you push the Bravo.
I've spotted enemy machine gunners east of your current position. There's a hostile AT soldier east of your position. Heads up, I spotted a hostile soldier due east of your location.
Ha! You're reloading, bitch.
Listen up! Enemy sniper west of where you are!
Man, they're hot in Bravo. I can't take it. There's a guy next door. There's a freaking guy next door.
Appears to be an enemy tank located east of your position. I can confirm objective Charlie neutralized.
There's another one. I see him. Where'd he go? Oh shit! 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 Oh, run, nigga, run! Woo!
Objective Echo is now.
Light whites!
As far as I'm watching.
Woo! Lightweight, dude, I'm on about 12 fucking kill streak. I'm on ammo. I need some ammo. Dude, I'm on about 12 kill streak right now. I need some goddamn ammo.
I'm on my way.
Listen up. I spotted an enemy tank.
Fuck. Man, I needed ammo badly right there, man. God damn.
It's got to be.
Dude, I needed ammo right there. I needed that goddamn ammo.
I noticed. I'm sorry. That's
Woo! Not your fault, dude. Man, I went on a terrorist trial. Right there was a terrorist. Give me a hit. Ooh, missed his nose. Man, I was a terrorist right there. Terrorizing their ass over there on the objective.
For real though.
I'm Bravo.
I kind of feel that. I was kind of sad.
Oh, got a guy in Echo. Yeah, you were reloading too, weren't you? Another one coming my way. Nice blueberry. If there's one, there might be two. Shit. See a guy at the back. Follow your instincts, Orlando. Follow your instincts. Follow your instincts. Follow your instincts. Silva, he has gotten me, man. Hilo. Oh, he shot the Hilo down. I saw that. Alright, we got that. Bravo. Who is that? Iron Man space. I can't spawn in on you. Logic, you're wedged in the corner. Are you camping? Yeah. Guy behind you. Guy behind you. Two guys behind you.
Objective Charlie now neutralized. Heads up, hostile soldier due north of your location.
Come on, Bluebird. Get. Oh shit! RPG from the hillside. Come on, Bluebird. Let's go make a difference. Come on. Let's try and make a difference.
Listen up. I spotted a hostile soldier just west of your location.
They got Mav, so I know as soon as I put this fucking slams down, they're gonna fucking blow it up and kill me. One, two, look, fucking Mav, I'm moving. The snipers parachuting in both sides of Bravo. I got Hilo. Doesn't sound friendly. Enemy still, we got Lav on the outside of Bravo, right, left side. We got enemies towards Charlie's side, Delta.
We no longer control objective Charlie.
Sniper.
Personnel have been spotted operating in your west.
Right side, Delta. Oh shit, guy right here. Fuck. Got both.
Nice, okay, that works.
Spotted a hostile sniper to the east of your position. We now control objective Delta.
Tank, we got tank, center. What's Where the hell all this gunfire coming from? Trying to look on that rooftop, nobody there. Transport helo. I'm reloading. Jumper Bravo. Attack helo left Bravo. Hit something. No shit. Come here, daddy. Come to daddy.
Just taken objective Charlie.
Hit him for the grand finale. Oh my god, that one actually looked like it went through the helo. Damn. We did good. I'm in the picture jumping by the ER. I'm in the middle right now. Disappeared now. What's this message saying? Very cool. I play hardcore. 41 and 5. Shit. Alright, boys and girls, I have to end this stream now. Thank you for taking time out. I'll be back on tomorrow another stream though.